Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any EV having a Ford C-Max or Ford Escape. Practically both of the vehicles share the same platform. We will explain if you guys need to remove or replace a rear ABS sensor. We will explain where it's located, what needs to be done, how to disconnect it. All that will be covered in this video today. Why we mentioned C-Max and Escape, due to the fact that both vehicles share the same platform, same parts for multiple components, and even the wheel bearing, ABS sensor, everything is the same for those years that we have. Usually I think it's about year 2012 to year 2018-19. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information to you. Now if you need to buy any parts, tools for a really good price and quick shipping as well, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get them from. So let's explain now where the rear ABS wheel speed sensors are located, how to access them and how to replace them. So on that Ford C-Max, which is the same platform as Ford Escape, we're replacing the wheel bearing, rear wheel bearing. That's a weak spot on those. I noticed that many of those go out at around 70,000 miles. This one has almost 80 and it went out. So now if you pay attention on the wheel bearing, on the hub assembly right here guys, okay, you will have, okay, that sensor. So that's your ABS sensor, okay. That's on a two-wheel drive. Four-wheel drive will be different, but that's for a two-wheel drive, front-wheel drive, Ford C-Max or Ford Escape. So that's the ABS sensor, the original one. We bought the replacement bearing hub, okay, that comes with a new sensor, so we don't need to install it. But if you look at that sensor guys, okay, it's on the wheel bearing, on the hub, on the inside right here, and this is the wire, okay, and that wire, okay, it's a little bit hard to disconnect, but okay, the only thing that you need to do, get your finger on the back side and push down here and it will disconnect. Now sometimes it could be really hard to access that sensor on the back side due to the fact that you have limited room, but it's doable without removing the wheel bearing. And all we can do is, like, if you jack the vehicle up, you can access it from the back. I want to lay on the other side and show you that actually. Okay, and we'll have a video that will explain how to know which ABS wheel speed sensor is better on your car. So if you look right here, you don't see anything, right? And if you come through an angle, okay, I'm trying to fit in here somehow. Okay, a little bit tight, but that wire, okay, right here, that wire is for the ABS sensor, and if you look at it, okay, that's your ABS sensor. The bolt is on the top side, okay, and if you get a long extension, you can get it loose through here. It's right past the shock on the back side with the Torx on the original one. I think it's Torx 25 maybe, and you can easily disconnect it here by pressing down, disconnect it, okay, and you can replace it without removing practically anything. Okay, you just need to get it safely under the vehicle. Always use jack stands, okay, like we do. Never rely on the jack itself. If that jack fails, one seal fails, you will be squished under that vehicle guys. So always be careful. Now that's the ABS wheel speed sensor on the rear. If you want to see how to test them, we have a special video on our channel. Please check it out. How to know which ABS wheel speed sensor is bad and how to test ABS wheel speed sensor. All that will be covered there. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.